Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to the daily current affairs quiz discussion where we discuss top 5 current affairs questions from today's The Hindu newspaper as per the recent trend of the UPSC. Also, we are going to discuss some of the related PYQs of the previous year questions so that we understand what kind of questions have come on these important topics. Guys, from today, what format I'm going to use is that for the question, I'm going to give you 1 minute. I want every one of you to solve the question and write the answer in the comment box, and then I'm going to discuss the answer along with the related content. So guys, I hope you will be solving the questions along with me because that is how you will improve your aptitude of solving questions. So let us start, guys. The very first question I have framed on Himalayas. Guys, there was today one very good editorial on Ladakh and Himalayas and the recent developmental effort in the Himalayas and Ladakh and its repercussions, and also the climate change and its impact on Himalayas. So I have framed this question. Let us read the question and let us try to solve the question. So I want every one of you to write in the comment box the answer also. So consider the following statement. Statement 1 says, had there been no Himalayas, the whole North India would have been a cold desert. Statement 2 says Himalayas blocks polar cold winds blowing southwards from Central Asia from entering India. Which one of the following is correct with respect to the above statements? Both statement 1 is correct, yes. Statement 2 is also correct, yes. And statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1, yes. So we have the option A as the correct one. So let me see how many of you are marking it correctly. So guys, you can see here, okay, this entire article talks about Ladakh. So guys, I believe this year Ladakh's geography is going to be very, very important. Ladakh's culture is going to be very, very important. Ladakh's the entire human geography is also going to be very important. So please prepare Ladakh in detail. Here I would like to point out few things in the article which you should also read. There is National Action Plan on Climate Change. One of that plan is the National Mission for Sustaining the Himalayan Ecosystem, which is under the Department of Science and Technology. This mission is very important. National Mission for Sustaining the Himalayan Ecosystem. Please do read about this system. This is very, very important. Further, there are some infrastructural projects which are mentioned here. For example, you can see here Jojila Tunnel, very important, and the Kargil Jangskar National Highway. This is also very important. And Changtang region. This is also very, very important. So please try to locate this on the map of India. Very, very important. Another important concept which was mentioned here is, guys, you can see here the Silkara Tunnel. Okay, this was in news this year, very important. And carrying capacity of the Himalayas. Carrying capacity of the Himalayas is very low, and the pilgrimage which is going to this Himalayas or the tourism which is going to Himalayas, sometimes they are beyond the carrying capacity, which has adverse impact on the ecosystem. So prepare this topic of Himalayas. I believe from geography segment, definitely questions will come from this topic. Let us go to the next topic. Okay, so let us see some of the PYQs. Okay, you'd solve with me. Okay, so first question, let us solve this question. If there is no Himalayan ranges, what would have been most likely geographical impact on India? PYQ 2010. Much of the country would experience cold waves from Siberia. This is correct. Indo-Gangetic plains would be devoid of extensive alluvial soils. Guys, this is also correct. Why? Because we all know the rivers, the Himalayan rivers, they erode the mountains and they deposit those, okay, fine sediments. Okay, so this is also correct. And the patterns of monsoon would be different from what it is present. This is also correct. Why? Because it is the Himalayas which basically, okay, they are there as a barrier. And when the monsoon hits, rainfall happens. Okay, so this answer would be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a very important question. Please prepare this. Next, examine the map of Jammu and Kashmir. You can see here. Okay, so what is marked as 1, 2, 3, 4? So guys, this is directly from the NCERT. So one is what, guys? Karakoram. So you can see here with Karakoram. Okay, we have these two options. Okay, second is, guys, Ladakh. You can see Karakoram, Ladakh. then this is the correct answer. You can see we get the B. This is basically what Janskar range, and this is why you got Pir Panjal range. So this is option. Okay, B is correct. Okay. So guys, you can see this. This is the NCRT map. You can see Karakoram. Then we have Ladakh. Then we have Janskar. Then we have the Pir Panjal range. Here you have to know this Baralacha. Okay, you have to know this Baralacha, Sripkila. Okay, all these important location you should prepare. Next, guys, you can see this question. Himalayan range is very rich in species diversity. Which one of the following is the most appropriate reason of this phenomena? So, guys, you can see here, okay, it has a high rainfall that supports the luxuriant vegetative growth. It is a confluence of different biogeographic zones. Exotic and been invasive species have not been introduced in the region. It has less human interference. So guys, answer is it is at the confluence of biogeographic zones. So guys, this is the biogeographic zones of India. Okay, go through this. You can see we have the Trans Himalayas, we have the Himalayas, we have the desert, we have the semi-desert, we have the Western Ghat, we have the Deccan Plateau, then we have the Gangetic Plains, we have the coastal plains, we have the northeastern, and we have the the islands. Okay, so this is also a very important question, guys. Let us now go to the next question. The next question I have prepared is on invasive species. Let us read the question, guys. Consider the following statements. Invasive species are threat to biodiversity. Second statement says invasive species reproduce rapidly, outcompete native species for food, water, and space. Which of the following is the correct in respect of the above statements? Both statement 1 and 2 are correct, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. So, guys, what would be the answer? Okay, let me see how many of you are can answer this. So answer is option A. Answer is option A. Guys, invasive species are those species which are introduced from outside, and they have some special characteristics where they outcompete the native species, and the biodiversity of this region starts decreasing. So invasive species is the biggest concern as far as biodiversity is concerned. Let us see some of the okay PYQs also, but before that let us see the piece from where I have taken this. You can see there is a concern regarding the biodiversity of the Andamans. There are some invasive species in the Andamans. Recently the chital in the Andaman became a issue. It became an issue, guys. So I have framed another question related to this. You can see here, consider the following pairs: African catfish, Nil tilapia, red-bellied piranha, alligator, gar, and red-eared slider. How many of the above are invasive species? How many of the above are invasive species? Okay, this is basically invasive species. So guys, all five are invasive species. All five are invasive species. So guys, this is invasive species. Okay. So all five are invasive species. In this article, you can see here, they have given red-billed piranha, then red-eared slider, then chittal. Okay, these are all invasive species. Okay, so please prepare a list of all invasive species from India. The most important one, which is generally in news in the Western Ghats, particularly in the Nilgiris, is the Lantana camarana. This is very, very important. Invasive species. Okay. So prepare a list of invasive species. These are all, okay, most of them are fish. Invasive species fish. Okay. So let us see the next question, guys. The next question. Okay. Let us see a PYQ which has come on this topic. Invasive species specialist group develops global invasive species database belongs to which one of the following organization? So the answer to this question is option A, IUCN. The option is IUCN is the correct answer. This question came in 2023. Let us see another question, guys. Consider the following: Balti, Beda, Purigas, Brokpa, Changpas. How many of the above tribes are inhabiting the Ladakh region? Guys, the answer is all five. Guys, as I told you that this year UPSC is going to give question on Ladakh, definitely. So they can give you tribals which are inhabiting the Ladakh region. So guys, Changpas, Brokpas, Purigas, Beda, Balti, okay, these are all the tribes. Guys, let me tell you that out of all the population in Ladakh, the entire population, 97% are tribes. Okay, this is very, very important fact which you need to know. Next, last question, guys. Consider the following statements. chimeric antigen receptors. Cell therapy involves genetically modifying the patient's T cell to fight malignant tumor cells. Yes. Next, CAR-19 is India's first indigenously developed CAR T cell therapy. This is also correct. The Central Drug Standards Control Organization granted market authorization for next CAR-19. This is also correct. And chimeric antigen receptor T cell therapy doesn't have any side effects. So guys, I have taught you whenever you have any, it's an extreme word. This makes this entire sentence extreme. You can eliminate this, so we get answer only 3. This question I have prepared from this article. This is a very important. Guys, today I am making a prediction. In this video, you can save this video. This year UPSC prelims examination. This year UPSC prelims examination, definitely one question is going to come on this topic of CAR T cell therapy. Okay, this CAR T cell therapy, definitely a question is going to come. Okay, please prepare this cell therapy. Very important. Very important. So guys, with this, I come to the conclusion of today's current affairs discussion. Guys, you see how I have framed question on option elimination. Then guys, you can see how I have framed question on geography. Then so many PYQs we have discussed, environment. Okay guys, so guys, if you like this initiative, please do consider giving it a thumbs up and share this with your friends. This is going to add a lot of value, guys. No, somewhere, okay, this is going to really be very helpful for you. So please guys, please consider, okay, sharing this as much as possible. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.